let's go. Oh man, but unfortunately there's an error in the speedometer. That's why I can't read the speed. It's showing a 0 over there, so that's a sad news. I can't see. So everyone, this is Bro here, and today I'm here at Skomady, and so there's a new bike over there. It's a cafe racer kind of thing. This is only 150cc. So let's see. Skomady go. If you heard there was scooter also, I'll just show you the scooter. These are the scooters. Scooters. Looks damn cool, sexy man. And these are scramblers. So the specification and all those things I'll just tell in the blog. And although this bike looks awesome, hopefully I'll do a test ride also. So you just see, you can see it's a great place, man. Skomady, Skomady. Scrambler 150. And I personally like this black one. This is the black one. Looks so damn like a Captain America bike. Captain America use गर्छ नि त त्यस्तै खालको छ. So nice. And man, exhaust is also great exhaust. It's so beautiful piece. The quality is looking so much premium. I think so. It's so good. There's a curve over here also. You can see it. The black circle, I think. And the headlight is reminding me of the Avenger 150, and the speedometer is also like Avenger 150. Yes. So new. And you just look at the tire. I think the best part is the tire. What an awesome tire, It's fully grip mode, and silver one is also great. I'll just show you, this is the silver one. It's look more classic, but I personally like the black one. Hopefully you can see 2-3 of the scooter in the road also. I've also seen in Nada before V. But today I'm here to focus on the Scrambler Black Cafe 150. And it's Skomady. If you do not know, the Skomady is the company from UK, and they also have branch in Kathmandu now. Before also it was, but this bike took a bit more time to reach Kathmandu. Manual sir.
LED lights
LED actually baler देखेको छु Just look at the LED guys. Oh, यो त एकदम राम्रो रहेछ है. एट्र्याक्टिभ क्या परबाट टक्क देखिने खालको. अहिले चलेको पनि LED छ म्याक्सिमम बाइकमा आछ.
अनि हाम्रो साइड लाइट पनि LED.
ए साइड लाइट.
साइड लाइट पनि LED.
ए हजुर साइड लाइट यताबाट
जस्तो अफ रोडलाई नै हो नि हाम्रो पिच रोडलाई नै
है बोथ
यो ग्रिपहरू लिगली गर्दा
गिटीहरुले
गिटीले गर्दा पिच रोडलाई नै अब कम्फर्ट राम्रैसँग तपाईँ ड्राइभ भएर जान्छ.
हजुर यसको पावर हजुर
पावर 15.70
15.70 हजुर
for 10,000.
त्यो 150 सेगमेन्टको बाइक जस्तो नलाग्ने क्या हेर्दाखेरि है पुरै हेभी मोडल छ क्लासिक मोडल छ नि त एकदम एट्र्याक्टिभ छ. यसको प्राइस के छ अहिले फिक्स भयो
अब अहिले
फाइनलाइज भएको छैन
फाइनलाइज भएको छैन
भनेपछि हजुर. Yes guys, I am at Scomadi. I have already told you, and now I am going to do a test ride of this Scomadi bike. So let's go. I think it will be fun. The new riding experience, totally different experience. So it will be fun. Sir,
स्ट्यान्डमा इन्जिन अन अफ हुने स्विच छ कि
इन्जिन अफ हुन्छ त्यो ड्युकहरू जस्तै क्या.
हजुर, हजुर.
ए हजुर हजुर. Oh man. Woo. So let's go to Banswari. I'll go till Banswari. What a bike, man. Sorry. What the hell? Oh. Sound amazing, man. Now let's go from this side. Okay, is it recording or not? Yes, it's recording. And man, this is Scrambler of Scomadi Cafe Racer 150. I'll be speaking more about this bike. Riding in a straight road, although the grip, I can easily feel the grip of this tire is so much heavy and so much grippy, I must say grippy. So I'll take left from here. Till now the riding posture is quite good. Don't know about the mileage and also because the price is also not been done yet about the meeting and all those things. And yes, traffic was there. No worries. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about the speaker and all those things. Still, I'm figuring out. Still. I don't know how it will go, man. Okay, let's go. But unfortunately there's an error in the speedometer. That's why I can't read the speed. It's showing a 0 over there, so that's sad news. I can't see 0 to 60, but it's okay. In the review I'll just show you. Till now it's great, man. Can't believe this is 150cc bike. Seriously, man, seriously. Is it 150cc bike? Feels like I am a Captain America. Captain America. So yes, a great experience till now. Great experience. The handlebars are so good. And so comfort. And it's although this color is not provided right now. This color is it was ordered very before. This color was ordered very before, and still I am figuring out how the riding experience of mine. Till now it's good. Footbrake are also as expected as good. Okay. Oh man, feels great. And if you are wondering to ask me a price, then still the price has not been fixed yet. There will be a meeting over there, and then the people will fix the price. What the hell? Whoa! Man, I'm in love. I am in love with this Scrambler, Scumadi Scrambler 150 Cafe Racer, and this is a wow, man, wow. Now I'll just talk a bit about this motorbike. I'm wondering where to go and talk. Okay, I'll talk in the middle of the road. It doesn't matter me, man. I'll talk in the middle of the road. So let's view. I'll just do a small walk around, although this bike is a 79 lot. In review, I'll just show you the new bike. So this is the Scrambler 150 Scumadi, and looks amazing, man. With this bike I get remind of that Italian Jet Bucania 250i. It's almost same like that, because it's a cafe racer. And yes, the noticeable thing is that in 150cc they have provided there's a disc in front and disc at the rear also, and that's a great news, I think, because in 150cc, man, who have provided double discs? I have to search for that. If you know any bike who give the double discs in 150cc, then please let me know in the comment section below. So yes, exhaust, I'll just share the exhaust note, and this will not get started until and unless I remove that stand as the Duke. If you know, Duke one teste kura ho. And I'll just check if it's recording or not. Yes, it's recording, and I have to show the exhaust for you guys. So what should I do? I don't know, man. I'll just put this in the neutral. I think yes. Hope you can listen it. Oh no. Oh, great. Okay, exhaust is as good as expected. The riding posture and seat is, man, what a seat here, what a seat. It's so comfortable here. I think you are sitting in a sofa or like that. I am feeling like that I'm sitting in a sofa or a couch. What a, I must say, a great seat. What a seat and what a riding posture. I am in love with this motorbike. Seriously, man, I'm in this love with this motorbike. So yes, guys, I'll not go so much far because I have to return. But seriously, man, 150cc motorbike is really awesome. And yes, in this motorbike also there is a AHO system. The light will be in the AHO system. Light body dancer start गरेपछि light body dancer. So it's like a compulsory nowadays for the AHO system, and it's good also. So yes, I really love this bike, man. Still the price is unknown. I'll just mention in my next video or another video. I don't know when they will announce the price. But man, seriously man, 150. Oh. Okay, let's continue. When I was riding like a bit high, it was great, and in this kind of traffic jam situation also, bike feels very light, and that's a plus point in the situation of Kathmandu. It's always a jam. तर हुन्छ नि यार जामले गर्दा त जाममा अब हेभी फिल भएन भने त इट विल बी लाइक वाओ हेभन सो नियर. jokes apart, man. So I don't know how much liter tank is this. I'll just ask them. I have the specification paper for, so I'll be mentioning in the description box below specification and all those things. It's quite hard to remember, you know guys what I mean. So yes guys, if you are like 5'1", 5'2", 5'3", or 5'4", then just go for it, because it's a very good bike. It's not too much low, but and it is applicable for every kind of height category, because I am 5'7", 5'8", for me also it's very good. If you are 5'5", 5'4", 5'3", 5'1", or less or more, it doesn't matter, because this bike is very, yes, mirror. So yes guys, still the price is been not fixed yet, but location wise I'll just say you, there's a Honda showroom in Chakrapath, and opposite of that there's a Hero showroom, and Hero showroom, Honda showroom, and what the hell, man, what the fuck, mara.